Step inside, take a look around. Mike's Chocolate Factory, fun abounds. Rivers of chocolate, candy trees, the sweetest place you'll ever see.
Stir the chocolate river round and round. Caramel swirls making magical sounds. Candy fish jump, sprinkle the sky. Mike's Chocolate River is pure delight. Bounce, bounce on marshmallow belts. Sugar so sweet, it's how joy's felt. Hop aboard and take a ride, and Mike's Factory fun won't hide. Slide down chocolate, whoosh so fast, into a sprinkle pool, what a blast! Laughing, splashing, fun galore. Mike's Factory has so much more.
Gather round the candy light, sharing treats feels just right. Friends together, sweet and true. Mike's Factory is waiting for you.
Mike's Chocolate Factory, where dreams come true.
Sweet adventures are waiting for you.
Chocolate rivers and
Caramel skies, it's a world of joy, come inside.